We have the game in place, but it seems that we don't have any option to regenerate the game once we finish it with success or failure. So let's work on this. We need to work on the panels, and for the empty panel you don't need to do anything since it's just an empty panel. But starting from the images panel, we need to create a way to regenerate the components on the screen. So let's set up a simple method, a public void clear method, and under this method we'll first remove all the components from the images panel and also reinvoke the create panel method that will basically create all components and add them to the panel. Let's follow the same thing for the letters panel. So public void clear, this remove all, and let's reinvoke the create panel method. And the same thing for the word panel. Public void clear, this remove all, and this create panel. So we now need a way to actually call all these three methods from the images panel, letters panel, and word panel. So let's go under hangman frame, and at the bottom here we'll create a private void clear panels method. And if you recall, the hangman frame has references to all our panels, and we'll invoke the clear method for letters panel, word panel, and images panel. And we'll also need a method that will be called new game, and under this method we'll first dispose the current JFrame. We'll need to get the X and Y coordinates from our current JFrame position, and we'll also need to invoke the clear panels method so that we'll clear and regenerate the panels. Once we've done that, we will set the location for our JFrame and set it back to be visible to the user, with all the panels being regenerated in a correct way. Now we need to somehow invoke this hangman frame new game method, and we'll go under the word panel and have an instance to the hangman frame. This is a component, so it can be injected. So we have two locations where we can generate this new game. In the case that the user has found the word, and also in the case that the user was not able to find the word. Now everything should be in place, and we have the option to regenerate the components, basically to restart the game. You see that the game has been restarted automatically and all panels were regenerated with success.